Welcome to the installation video for your new one-wheel glider. When you receive your glider, it'll come with a bag of accessories. These accessories include an Allen wrench that will be used to install your glider, two larger Allen wrenches that you can use to replace your glider's wheels when needed, and a couple of additional hex screws that can be used in case your current screws get misplaced during the installation process. The first step will be to remove the current one-wheel bumpers. Please note, if you have a fender on your one wheel, you will want to loosen it prior to installing your glider. We will start by removing the 4 screws on top of your original one wheel that hold the foot pad in place. Once those screws are removed, then also remove the foot pad, and finally remove the 2 remaining screws under the foot pad. Now you can remove the first bumper by sliding it out, and move on to removing the second bumper. Similar to the first bumper, start by removing the 4 screws on top of your one wheel that hold the foot pad in place, and then remove the foot pad. You will want to keep an eye on the cord connecting the foot pad to the board to ensure it does not get pulled. Finally, remove the 2 remaining screws under the foot pad, and then you should be able to slide out the last bumper. Now that both bumpers are removed, you can move to installing your glider. We will start the installation on the handle side that has the pressure-sensitive foot pads. When installing the glider, notice the teeth protruding on either side of the glider. Line these teeth up with the holes on your one wheel to ensure a perfect fit. You will then want to use the longest hex screws you have under the foot pad. Using shorter screws here can compromise how securely the glider is attached to your one wheel. Next, just reinstall the foot pad with the 4 screws. Once complete, the handle bumper is fully installed and you're ready to move on to the wheeled side. You will install the wheeled side the same way by using the teeth of the glider to line it up to the one wheel, and then use the longest hex screws you have under the foot pad. You can then reinstall the foot pad using the 4 foot pad screws. Finally, retighten the fender if you have one, and get out there and enjoy a safer one-wheel experience.